Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know I've not posted since like a long time, but I always wait a couple of days after the update to post, so I made progress in the update. But I was kind of slacking, and it's been like a week and a half since I've last posted, and I did get Cyclops. And I just got King today. Um, yeah, we have a lot of catching up to do. And I'll probably be posting this Saturday, a day after the update, and just show you my progress of getting stuff. So anyway, my pets are not that good compared to the rest of the kings. I don't even have a shiny domino. I just have these three. I mean, they're good enough, but like, people do like almost 2,000 strength and coins. And I only do like 1,000. You know, I only have 3 regular dominoes. Because like, the only way you could actually get like a shiny domino is if you have a bunch of shiny charms. And I'm not wasting my premium on shiny charms because I have to wait each month for only 400 Robux. So I'm always just gonna spend them on ×5 coins. And yeah, so anyway, I have 3 rainbow Viridian dominoes and 1 rainbow blue steel domino. Oh, I should have a void one, but once I have like a decent team of pets, I just stop grinding for them because I'm just lazy. But yeah, a lot happened this update, like a lot. So they added just claws, and they're pretty good. They added 2 new classes, King and Hacker. Only 6 people have Hacker. I think 7 or 8 now, but it's gonna take a long time. Because it took me long enough to get 38-0. Yeah, 38-0. So just imagine getting 1,900-0. Like, it's gonna. What I've seen other people, they saved up like 600 D strength, and my total strength is only 148 D. And so, like, that's not really that much. But I have 32k minutes. See, I've been leaving my computer on for 24 hours with my auto clicker, and I don't even know how these people get to like all these minutes. I think it's crazy. Don't know how people do it. I mean, they probably would have to start doing a 24-hour thing like as soon as the game started. But anyway, I do 2.4 billion on the hill and around 1.6 trillion for boss. I am billion. Oh wow. My crowns have definitely decreased since the last time. Anyway, see, this guy even has a shiny red domino, which tells that I barely grind pets. But anyway, so they added those. They added pet levels. I don't know. I don't think I recorded. Yeah, I didn't record this update. If I did, then I apologize, because like I tend to forget a lot, but I am so amazed how these people just spend their time grinding so much crowns. Like 4.6 capital Q. Like, these people must have insane pets. And just use a ×5 crown multiplier. But I mean, I do have some Robux laying around, and so I might as well get one of them. And just because I would still have 291 Robux left. So let's go ahead and kill this boss and see how much we'll get. So far we're getting a lot of rounds. And that's kind of crazy. And yeah. So there's not really much left to talk about, but I just want to make this video longer. So I just want to tell you guys what I've been doing ever since my last video. So I started to grind overnight because my computer wouldn't let me before. And so I did that, and I made tremendous amount of progress. Because I got 2 classes in like a week. And these classes, it's kind of hard to do that. And my pet levels are pretty high, not gonna lie. And I've never seen someone with like over level 50 pets. Because as you can see here, it's pretty hard to get them to high levels. Because like 44,000 clicks for 1 levels. Or like, it takes a long time. And plus, my game crashes while I'm at school. And so, like, when I get home, I just walk into my game crash. And so, I just hope that it crashed, like, close to when I got home, so I didn't lose as much progress. But I think Hacker will take till the next update, because I'm just gonna grind for, like, 600B strength, and then, get the ×5 boost, and hopefully I'll get Hacker, but I might just say for like 400D, just have a base amount of coins so I can just get daily rewards. Because I feel like that would be a really smart idea. Yeah. Let me just get... I don't want to waste this ×5 boost. But I get 12 billion, which is crazy good. I feel like this boost is kind of overpowered. I never bought it before, but I just felt like I'd do it for a video. But they didn't add any skills, but they did add 2 auras. Illuminati and Sentinel. They added 2 new islands. I want them to add like a separate island instead of having all these portals on each other's islands. So like it's another like teleportation island that like you don't have to unlock. It unlocks like as soon as update comes out. Cause like that'd be kind of annoying, like jumping to an island and then finding out that it doesn't have any pets on it. But yeah, these are the pets. I don't remember the names, so I'm just gonna have to read them out. Okay, so Blue Steel Prince, Viridian Prince. Here, let me craft them so I don't scroll up so much. Oh, so Blue Steel Prince, Viridian Prince. Then we got Golden Ardrite Prince. I can't read, I swear. And Blue Steel Queen. And then Golden Viridian Queen. Oh wait, no, it's Viridian Queen. And we got Viridian Domino and Blue Steel Domino. And Red Domino and Domino. So basically these are based off like dominoes and steel thingies. Like, yeah, I really want like a rainbow one of these, because someone has a void one, it's kind of overpowered, and someone's a rainbow one of this, it's kind of overpowered. But the people who have those kind of pets spend like thousands of Robux on shiny charms, and I wish I could do that. But if I had the max premium, then like that'd be kind of dope, because like we get 2,200 Robux a month, and so I can spend more money on Robux. I mean, spend more Robux on the updates. But I feel like if we're already gonna spend like $100 on premium per year, we might as well get a good amount of Robux for it. Because like I feel like we should get more Robux per month because we already have to wait like so long for Robux. Like, I'd rather make it a shorter time that we have to wait for Robux, or like make like buff the amount of Robux we get, because I feel like it's kind of a waste of money. But like, I'm all in for that. Excuse me, all for that Robux. So like, I feel like it's a good idea to change it, but I would have it no matter what. But that's really all for this update. There's not really much else to say, but I will talk about my content now because I have to still kill this boss. So I'm starting to figure out stuff that I can use for my computer because I use Mac. Sadly, I don't want it, but I mean, I'd rather have this than the phone to use. I downloaded iMovie on it. I wanted to use Adobe Premiere, but I can't use it on this for some reason. What's on this? I love being king. Everyone's like, oh my god, you're king. But anyway, so basically, I'm gonna try, cause like, I'd rather have longer videos, or like longer like videos recorded and edit them than just like 10-minute ones. So I'm gonna try and get like a different. I've been doing my research and I've been trying to find different screen recorders that are free. And that aren't scams and that actually work, because I've found a couple, but like I like Screencast-O-Matic because it has like a record button, and Filmora, the one that I found first, doesn't have that, and so I don't know how to like end the video, and I don't know how to get my video back. Which there's probably is an actual way to do it. I'm just dumb. But yeah. So I know there's probably no one watching my videos, but if you are and you know something about Mac computers that like editing slash video screen recorder that I could use on here, please comment it. I would very much appreciate it. I am desperate for a different screen recorder because I want better content. Because right now it's like really poor quality and bad. But yeah. So that's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Expect a video maybe before the update, but most likely like on Saturday. Probably like 7 p.m. Eastern time. But yeah, I'm trying to make a schedule for my uploads so I can be like accurate on my uploading times. But yeah, this is the end of this video. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.